Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. At first, my name is Marwa. I am a data scientist, and today we will talk about applications of data science AI in agriculture field, part 3. And you will find part 1 and part 2 in the description box. The application number 6, automated irrigation system. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges facing agriculture today. With the world's population expected to exceed 9 billion by 2050, farmers will need to produce more food than ever before. At the same time, climate change is making it more difficult to grow crops and raising the risk of crop failure. As a result, agricultural productivity must increase by up to 60% by 2050 in order to meet global demand. Data science can play a key role in helping farmers adapt to climate change by tracking data on weather patterns, soil moisture, and crop yields. Data science can help farmers make better decisions about when to plant, how much water to use, and what crops to grow. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video, and subscribe for more videos, inshallah. And you will find the resources in the description box.